think especially in regulated industries, they have requirements that go beyond just the productivity and automation requirements that all businesses demand. So, from a platform perspective, we know that they have additional auditing, security, lifecycle management requirements. These are must-haves. Industries such as banking, insurance, manufacturing, among others, have very clear reporting obligations to external regulators or legal, other investigative requirements that demand search at large scale. So these industries have a strong requirement for automation of these content-rich processes at scale. And I think as we think about a platform approach, we know that we need a modern infrastructure and a modern architecture to deliver some of these applications. These applications might include accounts payable processing, new customer onboarding, loan origination, claims processing. So there's a need to have a consistent process, allowing workflows and process automation to push the content through defined and audited procedures, reporting, analytics, and of course the ability to tag and classify any items that may contain sensitive customer data. This is all essential. Regulated industries also have typically very well-established records and retention policies. That's taking a process view of lifecycle management, metadata extraction and assignment, and of course storing these completed records securely for years. In many cases, these are core capabilities. Content management is adopted at much higher rates in regulated industries, according to Forrester's data. And in fact, we do see that there's an appetite for content management modernization in these sectors a bit higher than the overall numbers. So, for example, we saw that 35% of financial services firms are actually open to newer, modern platforms from alternative vendors and moving away from some of their older, expensive on-premises systems.